Dear students, this will be the last video in Unit 1 regression analysis or regression equations. So part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4 videos are related to the long answers, and this is a part 5 video, and here I am going to explain the 3 short answers. So if you understand these 3 short answers, this complete unit will be completed. So before going to the concept, please subscribe my channel Anu Computer Education. So now without wasting further time, so directly I am going to the questions. Okay, so what is given in the question? So understanding the question is very important. So this is the model number 4 problem. So these are short answers. Up to model 1, model 2, model 3 are called as long answers, and model 3 is called as a short answer. So first read the question. What is given? So write down all the values which are given in the problem. Given r is equal to 0.6 and sigma x is given as 1.5 and sigma y is given as 2 is given. So what is asking? Find bxy and byx. So you know already formula. We know that bxy is equal to r into sigma x by sigma y. Okay, sigma y. So replace this all these values in the formula. So r is nothing but 0.6 into sigma x value is nothing but 1.5 and sigma value is nothing but 2. So it will be like 0.6 into 1.5 is nothing but 0.9 divided by 2. So once you divide this, you will be getting, therefore you write bxy is equal to 0.45. So this is the bxy value. So similarly we have to find the byx. So here only I will do the space, here only I will do. So what we are going to know? Byx is nothing but r into sigma y by sigma x. So what I will do now is equal to 0.6 into 2 by 1.5 we have to do now. So it will be 0.6 into 2 is nothing but 1.2 divided by 1.5. So this you will be getting as 0.8. So this is which answer? Byx. This is byx. So what is asking? Therefore you write, so bxy is equal to plus 0.45, and the signs are very important, and byx is equal to plus 0.8. So this is a one more short answer. So these are very important questions. Okay, so once this is clear, so I will go to the next model. You can write down this answer. So I am going to the next model. So this is a model number 5. This is also one of the short answer. So please understand here. So this is the question is given. So please reading the question and understanding the question is very important. So what is asking? Given two regression coefficients. So x on y is given as plus 0.5432, sorry 542, and y on x is 0.95 is given. What is r is asking? Or else the same question you will get like this. So already before video only I said bxy is called as regression. Please remember these words: regression coefficient. Okay, regression coefficient. Okay, or else you can also say coefficient of regression. Coefficient of regression also you can say. Okay, coefficient of regression, anything you can say, both are same. Similarly byx is also called as on, this is on x on y. So in the given problem, what are the values which are given? You write it now. bxy is given as plus 0.542 is given, and byx is given as plus 0.905 is given. So after giving this, what is asking to find correlation coefficient r? So you know already, we know that r is equal to so I'm say actually these two are two different problems, so I'm explaining. So only the values are different here, so try to understand. So I'm explaining only the fifth problem. This one I'm explaining, and this you do it as a homework. So because I'm explaining the statement here, instead of giving the bxy is given, the word is given regression coefficient of x and y. So that ఇక్కడ అర్థమైంది కదా, ఏం చేసిండు ఇక్కడ bxy అని ఇచ్చిండు. ఈ bxy అని ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ ఇవ్వకుండా ఇక్కడ రాసినది ఏంది, క్యాబుల్ కి ఏమని ఇచ్చిండు? రిగ్రెషన్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x and y అని ఇచ్చిండు. అంటే ఈ సింబల్ ప్లేస్ లో ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ రిప్లేస్ చేసిండు. ఈ सिंबल के प्लेस में क्या रिप्लेस करा? ये वर्ड को रिप्लेस करा. सो एंड y on x बोल के. So ये क्लैरिटी करें. So I am explaining only this problem and you do this problem. Okay. So now root is equal to bxy into byx. So now what will be the answer now? 0.542 into 0.905. So once you multiply these two values, you will be getting 0.4905. Okay, so if you apply the root, you will get 0.700. So now we need to write the sign for r also. Now you tell me, this is positive, this is positive, r is also positive, therefore r. So if you want, you can write the reason also. Both the regression coefficients are okay, coefficients are positive, then r is also positive. So this is the point you need to write. So similarly you do the same question. So now I am going to the last problem in this unit. So this will be the last model. So this is model number 6. So don't be get confused. See, the understanding the question is very, very important in business statistics. So now what I am doing, so remember, so what is asking, from the following data calculate the coefficient of correlation r. So we know that formula, we know that correlation coefficient, okay, correlation coefficient, okay, r is equal to square root of bxy into byx. Sir, bxy byx not is given, so what is given here? Regression equation is given. Here also regression equation is given. So generally, you know, tell me the just example. I am taking one example here. Suppose I am writing x is equal to 0.5. So just this is example, plus 2. So you tell me, whatever the 0.5, this is called as your bxy only na. Suppose if I am writing y is equal to same 0.5 I am taking into x plus 9 is 7 I am thinking. So what is this value is called as your byx. So but here the place this constants values are not given in the question. So what is now, whatever the value which is given here, so this is nothing but your given. What is given here? bxy is given as 0.85 is given, and byx is given as 0.89. అర్థమైంది కదా. ఒక రిగ్రెషన్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంటుంది, x is equal to నంబర్తో పాటు ఒక వేరియబుల్ ప్లస్ కాన్స్టెంట్. ఇక్కడ కాన్స్టెంట్ మిస్ చేసేసాను, కాన్స్టెంట్ को छोड़ दिया, constant छोड़ के only this part is given in the question now. So by before to the variable what are the value, before variable కి ముందు ఇచ్చిన వాల్యూ అంతా ఏముంటుంది, రిగ్రెషన్ కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ కదా ఉండేది. అందుకే నేను bxy is equal to 0.5 and byx is equal to 0.89 తీసుకున్నాక రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. ఏముంది 0.85 into 0.89. So what you will be getting here, square root of this will be, if you multiply you will get 0.7565, you will get 0.7565. If you apply the root for this, you will get 0.869. So we have tried plus we have to, because here two regression coefficients are positive. So if you want to write the reason also, both regression coefficients are, you write coefficients are positive, then correlation coefficient r is also positive. So these are the answers you need to write, and comments also very, very important. So these are the unit. So with this I completed the complete unit I uploaded. So the next I will be uploading the index numbers, after the time series and probability and normal distribution. The complete business statistics two videos will be uploaded, and important questions will be uploaded. So you can make use of all those important questions, and please subscribe my channel, and please share my channel details to your friends. Okay, thank you.